Good morning, students. Today we will take IT period again. So first of all, let me tell you that we're going to start a new chapter today. So that is chapter two. So first of all, we need to download the chapter two PDF, right? So chapter two PDF link is available on the portal, okay, which is given on your group description. So we need to go to class 5, then class IT, right? Then it's information to be, then chapter 2. Then let's write C H O P T R 2. Here, chapter 2 full PDF, or else you can also, it's available, or chapter 2 is denoted like this, okay? And let's start on chapter 2. The quality of this PDF is not so good, but still we'll try, but still it's enough to check it, right? So let's start our explanation. Okay, now. So today in chapter 2 we will discuss what problem solving with flowchart. So let me tell you what is flowchart. Flowchart is a step-by-step representation of a solution. Okay. So what does this flowchart means? In short term, flowchart means step-by-step procedure to come to a solution. Suppose, for example, you want to make tea. So what will be the steps? So first of all, our step is to buy tea, right? We have to tea fair. Then we need to take cup. Then we need to take some chini, sugar. Then pour pour some waters in the jar. So that will be the step by step procedure to make tea. So this is flowchart means step by step procedure to come to a solution, like making a roadmap, right? So problem solving technique, computers are used in all of our life, but they cannot solve a problem unless a procedure for finding solution is given. A detailed procedure should be prepared by a programmer. A programmer must have good representing skills. So we have already learned about programming, right? Computer programming. So what does this computer program know? Computer program is computer language that is ones and zeros, right? So in order to do anything in computer, a programmer means those who create softwares and games, like programmer. They are called as programmer. Okay. Suppose someone is making some kind of software. So in order to make a software, the programmer means those one who is writing the computer language, okay, those who are coding the computer language. So those who are making computer language, they are called programmers. So these programmers, in order to make any of the computer softwares, they need to take it a step by step, okay, because whatever computer works is step by step, okay. Suppose if I want to, what can I say? Suppose I want to delete this PDF without shutting it down. There is no option, right? Because the computer is step by step. There is only a sequence manner. Okay. There is only a sequence manner. Suppose I want to put this plus in here. This one. Uh, this one in here. Is that possible? No, right? Because the computer does not allow to make this here. So there is no steps. So in order to make this achievable, the programmer need to take step by step, one step, first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step. So this doesn't mean after first step there is no shortcut to third step. He need to take he need to take first, second, then third, then fourth. Okay, he can't jump from from first to third or first to fourth. Okay, there is no. You have to go one by one. Okay, so this flowchart means step by step representation of problem solving. So in order to solve a problem, the user must write first step, second step, third step, fourth step by step procedure to come to a solution. Suppose first step, second step, third step, fourth step, then solution. Okay, the computer will go through these steps. First steps, first steps, then second step, then third step. The computer won't go directly first steps to the third step and then go to solution. The it will go thoroughly from first step to second steps. Okay. Usually following steps are taken to solve detailed study of the problem, redefining the problem. So these are the suppose a computer needs to come to to solve a problem. He need to take these 7 steps. Okay, these are the 7 steps of how to solve a computer technical problem. Okay, so first of all, problem details. What will be the problem? Taking the problem details. What uh, how by examining the details, how the problem comes, how the problem arises. Okay, this in first part we will take the detail of the problem, redefining the problem. In the second part is redefining the problem, like naming problem or giving a name to the problem, understanding the requirements for outputs and data available for image condition and the process of the table. So in this part we will check what will be the possible methods. Okay, what will be the requirements to solve the problem on the computer. We are talking in computer term, okay, not real life term. So in this part we will check what will be the problem solving. Okay, what will be the requirement, what are the specific data needed to solve the problem. The fourth step is finding alternative method. So suppose there is no data available. Suppose we are searching for a particular item which is not available, so we will find in the fourth part, is there any alternative problem. Suppose your PC is not working or you could not play games. So what will, so there can be two options, right? One is uh, repairing your PC. The second is buying a new PC, right? So there is a two alternatives. So this is a finding alternative. Selecting. So we will select which one will be preferable. Suppose in order to repair a PC, example, in order to repair a PC, it takes 6,000, and buying a new PC takes 6,000. So which one we will prefer? The new one, right? So this is an alternative plot. In fifth part, we will check which will be the best to the solution. Then six, prepare a list of procedure. In part six, we will make a list of how to come to a solution. Okay, determining the possible solution. Then in part 7, computing the result. Then this one is the conclusion part, right? So computing the result means after going first to 6 steps, the last step is to finalize the result. So as today is the introduction part, so I make it quite long. So from the next topic we will do it fast. Okay, for that's all for today. Thank you.